Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm and I'm so happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about the difference between a transfer on death account and a payable on death account. But before I get to that, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any question about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. You can go there. Pick a time that works best for you and be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So today's topic is the difference between a transfer on death account and a payable on death account. And there's some basic estate planning things that you can do without an attorney. And one of those things you can do is you can set up your accounts to be transferred to a beneficiary or payable to a beneficiary upon your death. And that's kind of where it's very easy to do. It's a way to estate plan without creating a will or a trust or any other estate planning documents. I don't think it's a great idea not to have a will, but if you want to do something today just to quickly and make sure that your assets go to the people that you want them to go to, then you can set up these type of accounts and they're very easy to do. You can go to your financial institution and do that. So the first type of account is a transfer on death account, and what this account is that upon your death, the account will transfer to a named beneficiary. You can name anybody that you want. You can, if you create a trust, you can name a trust to be the beneficiary of that account. But what will happen is that the account will stay at the institution that it is, and the ownership will transfer from one person to the other, and to the named beneficiary. The other type of account is a payable on death account. And what that means is that it's a type of account where upon your death, the account will be closed, and the funds in the account will be then payable to a named beneficiary. So these are two types of accounts. Both accounts are probably available at any financial institution. The reason why you do one or the other is that if you're using a large financial institution, say a Bank of America, where they're nationwide and they're easy to access by many different people, then you can use that type of account, because if you would have a beneficiary that's either not in your home state or lives in a different place that's not where your local bank is not accessible, then it makes a good idea to have that bank. It can just transfer that account. They can then decide what they want to do with it after that. A payable on death account, that may be better off in situations where you're using a smaller local bank that may not be nationwide, and the person that you're leaving the money to in that account may not be able to access that bank. So it's probably better just for them to receive those funds and then decide the best place to put them. If you have a trust, like I said, then a transfer on death account would probably be a better option, because you could name the trust to be the beneficiary of the account. That way that the account would then transfer to the trust upon your death. It'll avoid probate. You don't have to both those accounts avoid probate. So those are just kind of distinctions between two types of accounts. They are an estate planning tool that you can use without an attorney. You can do that today. You can go to your local bank and set up these types of accounts, and that way, upon your death, certain things will happen. They'll either be transferred to a beneficiary of your choosing, or they'll be payable to the beneficiary of your choosing. So those are something you can do today. It's a very easy estate planning thing to do. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Again, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com, and there you can schedule a time to talk with me for free to discuss payable on death accounts or transfer on death accounts, creating a trust, creating a will, whatever the case may be. If you have any questions about estate planning, you can go there. You can talk with me for free, either on the phone or in person. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. You'll see my schedule. Pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.